Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. In front of me, I have a box from the Happy Planner, and I'm going to open it with you guys. So bear with me. This is a lot of noise. Okay. So I did buy the Happy Planner Anniversary Bundle. So I'll show you this right now, and then we'll talk about it. So this is the tote that comes with the disc is plastic, in case you were curious, because I was. This is like so much fuzz on here. I'm going to be cleaning that. But this is like a, I don't know, like a, it is fabric. But it's kind of like a plasticky feel. I don't know. I do like it. Oh, I like that black and big because I do carry usually a Happy Planner tote with me to work one way or another, but this one is quite large. I mean, let me try to open it up and show you. So quite large. Let's see, for comparison, I'm gonna put an A5 notebook in here. Look how much room. Yeah, so it is large. I don't know how sturdy it is. It does not feel as sturdy as the woven ones, like the woven handles, so we shall see. It also comes with 5 stickers, which is so worth it for the amount of money. So let me show you. Seasonal stick babes, which I have. Miss Maker. Is that the original one? Maybe. I don't know. Planner Babe, the Stargazer, and the Homebody. So yeah, these are some of the all-time favorite sticker book of many planner people. This seasonal stick babe is so cute. If you guys have never experienced them, they are stinking adorable. By the way, if this is your first time joining, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you're coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. And here we go. So they get smaller and smaller, and you get more and more of them. So that one was spring. Still like spring. Look at that. These are clear icons. And then we have Hello Spring, You, Grow Girl, Bloom, Live Simply, Grow Your Own Way, Love, Inspire, Beautiful Day. And then we go into summer. And again, they're going to get smaller and smaller, so you can put them in smaller and smaller places. But they are super cute. And then we have icons on clear, summer icons, and then we have Summer Lovin', Beach Please, Vacay, Pool Day, Fun in the Sun, You Grow Girl, Summer Lovin', Beach Please. And then we have Fall, and I think these are my favorite because they include Halloween costumes. And look how stinking cute these are. Like, this is probably one of my favorites. So yeah, look how stunning. And then we have more. And then we have fall icons. And then we have fall, pumpkin and spice and everything nice. Sweater leather, I love October's, pumpkin spice everything, fall, pumpkin spice and everything nice. Sweater weather, I love October. So it repeats. And then we have winter. And these are also so cute. I forget how cute these are until like I actually flip through them. Skates, Christmas, look at that Valentine one. There's joy. And then you have Christmassy and Valentine little icons, hot tea, and then Get Cozy, Winter Wonder, Merry and Bright, Spread the Love, and Get Cozy. And then you have some backgrounds for these girls. If you wanted to put them on backgrounds or like a swoosh of paint standing. So yeah, that's what the sticker book is. It is so fun. I forgot how fun this book is. I haven't looked at it in a very long time. I think I need to rearrange some of my stickers so then I will look at them more consistently. Second sticker book in this pack is Miss Maker. And I think this is the original one. I'm actually not sure because I got in the game a little bit later after the first girls were already like introduced, and I've never gotten into all of them, so I don't know. Yeah, but this one has like a lot of sayings and it's cute. It looks like they're older books, so it maybe is the original Miss Maker. I don't know. I will look at the back and see what year this is from after we're done flipping, and I'll tell you. They see me rolling, and it's washi tape. Oh my god. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat. Maker's rule. How cute. And then we have the cards. Super cute. And then we have lots of gold long boxes, and then the same ones but in color. Saw what? Creative date. Super cute. Organized. Not gonna read all of them because it will take us forever, but I do think this is like very original, still very bright. Look at these like stitches, how cute. Create, these are stunning. Oh, look at that. And then we have a pink card. Now we have all the colors of the cards. Yeah, this is beautiful. So yeah, this looks like it is the original. So let's take a look if it says the year. So it does say 2024. I don't know. Maybe they reprinted these just for this anniversary. Then we have, yeah, these were all reprinted, you guys. So, but I think this is the original. This is for sure the second planner babe. I have this one. It's pretty cool. So look at these. Yeah. Not a huge fan of this type of font, but it is kind of fun in your planner, to be honest. Look at all of these. Do you remember, like, this book was basically all about the disc. All about the disc. These were different with like the little circle on top of them, like all the checklists, the washi strips, and then we have all the discs, like large ones, tiny ones, and then we have colorful boxes with a black background, like frame. Shopping list, more shopping list, and then we have like meal stuff in here to buy, and then brunch, dinner, like dinner with friends, little champagne glasses, fork and knife, these circles which I never know what to do with, and then some appointment boxes, some flight info. That was a very versatile box, like book. I forgot about that too. And then we have all of these like suitcases, little flights and stuff like that, a packing list, and then these are on like a rainbow, and these are page flags. And then we have gold quotes, and then we have colored quotes. So that is Planner Babe. It says from the vault. So yeah, old. This one is also old, and I remember a lot of people really love that one, so I'm not surprised they brought it back. So Stargazer is stunning. I made a few spreads with it back in the day. Not too many because it is like very bold colors, and I'm all about the florals, you guys. Nope, my sticker's ripped. Oh well. The little monthly boxes. I love these, like for the sidebar. They look so great in there. Look at this. The Stargaze washi strips. And then I think this is the first time they introduced the half circles. And this was fun too because you get a whole page and like all the page flags, but then you can cut those strips and like make washi. Then we have these, which are so like vibrant, and boxes. We have the suns. These are on clear, like holographic little stars and stuff. And then we have black ones, and then we have colored ones. And then it says Stargazer with little stars, and then all of the different signs. Not signs, these are like animals in the sky, I guess, maybe the year. So look, bear, dolphin, turtle, owl, deer, tiger, manatee, wolf, swan, rabbit, bear, dolphin. I don't know. Interesting. So this is the same thing, but with filled in animals, and then we have some quotes. And these are unclear, and so are these. So you have a dreamer, you rock, stuff like that. And these are even bigger. So if you wanna fill up a big space, that is good. So that's the Stargazer, and I have one more, and that's the Homebody. And that was a favorite of so many people for such a long time. So including me, because I really love when they came out with these florals, and like this was such a subdued colors for the Happy Planner. I remember going a little nuts over this book. Those florals, all of that is just stunning, and like the whole book is coordinated. So you guys probably remember all of this. Look how pretty this is, right? And then you have all of these, and I think that was one of the first books where they did the edging like that, where you could just put stickers, floral stickers on the edge. And they gave us so many skinny boxes in here. I loved it, including these. And then journaling boxes, which I used quite a bit. And look how pretty, right? And then these, I think I used up all of the leaves in this book. Then we have focus, the routine, and then big quotes. Staying in is not boring. Yeah, it's Homebody, so it's like wild and free, gratitude, joy, embrace what is good. I'm not gonna read all of these, but just giving you an idea. Get a little better every day, like positive stuff. Then we have some empty mugs, and then we have some that say coffee first, and then back to the flowers. And then this was such a cute, like farmhousey vibe. More quotes with florals. And then this is today, and then these are empty, and then you get a couple pages of these stunning florals, and that is the whole book. So that's all I have for you guys. Let me know what you think. Like I said, this book, this collection is stunning. Is very, very old. Yeah, this one's not even labeled, so yeah, probably the original. But 5 books plus the tote, I think that was worth every penny. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you got this collection, and then I'll see you guys soon. Bye.